We are celebrating the 116th installment of the Chicago Auto Show here at McCormick Place in Chicago. This is a great place for consumers to come see all things new and anything changing in the automotive industry. Everything from getting in cars and going for rides on tracks or going outside on actual test drives. When we first worked with the team here at Powering Chicago, NECA and IBEW, they were on our Chicago Drives electric track, and the only brands that were on that track were Kia and BMW. Today in 2024, we've got 9 brands on that electric track. There are 17 brands that are exhibiting here that all have electric vehicles in their display. How that's changed so quickly in the last 3 years is why it's so important to have a partner like Powering Chicago here at the show.
Partnership's important to the Chicago Auto Show. Consumers are trying to figure out if electric vehicles are right for them and all the things that have to happen to own one. And one of them is the infrastructure in their homes. They want to put in a level 2 charger. They need somebody qualified to do that. They need someone to ask questions to. Powering Chicago can help them and educate them on just how to do that.
We take part in this auto show annually because of the technology that keeps growing in our industry, in the automobile industry. We are in cutting edge technology out at our apprenticeship schools. We figured it's such a great broad audience to come here and see our product. Why wouldn't we share what we do with not only developers, but with the everyday Joe Q public?
The Powering Chicago 73-foot mobile field trip truck, it was initially built to go out to Chicago area high schools, community centers, and everywhere that individuals who could not visit our illustrious and magnificent campus in Alsip to go out to those locations.
Some of the unique and key elements of the trailer, we have a solar array, we have a mock-up of an EV charging, low voltage system, other electrical panel, we have some conduit in there, we've got some racking, different things that really show all the capacities of the things that we do.
We built a little town in there, little model town that has power distribution, and we show them through modeling how power gets from those source locations out to your home, and then it blows up into a real-world application where we have a corner of a little house and they can actually install conduit and wire like they would see in their own homes.
What really captures a lot of people's attention is the fact it represents the apprenticeship. So people who are coming to the booth to discuss what a career opportunity looks like, they take a walk through there and they see the different things that they will be building through their career.
NECA and the IBEW are working very hard to be prepared for the coming revolution of electric vehicles as well as wind and solar energy. We train our apprentices over 8,000 hours of classroom and on-the-job training in order to be able to install the electrical components reliably and safely.
It's very important to understand that you should have a qualified electrical contractor and electrician install these electric chargers in your home or in your business, because this equipment will probably be the largest load on your infrastructure.
We like to let everybody know that we are the qualified installer. We do the work better, faster, cheaper, and safer than anyone else in the industry. That's why we're here making our presence felt at the auto show.
This is just a fine example of what we do together. We're just trying to build the best electrical industry in the country, and it's right here in Chicago.